selling poison, as officers just watched. And I don't want to blame the officers. There was no political direction. People are led, officers are led. When President William Ruto came to office, I must tell you, he had a serious problem with the officers of the National Government Administration, because in his opinion, and rightly so, they had absconded duty and went into politics of BBI and Azimio and all that nonsense that surrounded it. And the president was wondering why we need that branch of government, because he does not need them in politics, and that is what they were doing. It took me and Professor Kindiki and PS Raymond Omolo to sit the president down and convince him that officers of the national government administration are good people. They are very resourceful officers. They are result-oriented. They are very focused only when they get the right instruction. And we told the president the problem was not the officers, it was the leadership. They had removed them from their job of dealing with security, dealing with alcohol, dealing with the boundary disputes, creating peace and harmony, and told them to go and collect signatures for BBI, to go and try to sell Project Azimio, and such other difficult things that, of course, they perform dismally because they are not trained in that line of thinking. The president and I would be stupid to ask them to help us in politics. We would fail. Walisaidia Azimio ikaanguka. Sasa tukiwachukua tusaidie tutaanguka. We cannot. And the president agreed with us that we give them a chance. And we gave them the first responsibility. And I'm so proud of our officers from the National Government Administration that I served for 15 years. That when the president asked us to assign them the function of registering farmers across the country at slightly less than 50 million shillings, they registered farmers across the country in 2 weeks, where consultants